Hi, boys and girls. So today you are going to load the story, The Wettest Place on Earth, into Notability. And I am not going to read it to you. You are going to read it to yourself. And in this passage, there are facts, many facts, and there are opinions. Now, Mom, Dad, Grandma, Grandpa, do not read this to them. Your third graders are very capable of reading things to themselves, and we are learning how to be reading detectives. So if they're struggling, they are welcome to read it to you and sound out those words and work them out, but they should be doing the work. Okay, so boys and girls, you will be reading the story. It is 2 pages. And while you are reading, I want you to use your highlighter and you are going to find some facts and some opinions. My advice to you would be use yellow for facts and maybe green for opinions. It doesn't really matter, but just so you can find them. And you should never highlight the whole page, just a few words or sentences to find them. So then you're going to do the work. It says, gather evidence during reading. That is why you would use that highlighter. Which part of the story might be fact? Which part of the story might be opinion? List facts and opinions in the story. On this side, you will find facts, and on this side, you will list some opinions. I'm not going to tell you how many. See how many you can find. Remember, you are the sleuth. A sleuth is a detective. You are a word detective today. All right, then after you are done reading that story, I want you to think, if you could talk to someone who managed to make the difficult hike up to Mont Walili, what would you ask that person? Come up with 2 questions. So, boys and girls, here are 2 spaces, and you need to think of what would you ask that person that hiked up that mountain. Remember, our question words start with who, what, where, when, why, and how, and they end in a question mark. I will be looking for that along with very neat handwriting or typing. And then last, what is the best way to explore a place you're visiting for the first time? Include reasons to support your answer. You will need 1 paragraph. Now, boys and girls, there are things that this person did in here, or people did in here, to explore new places. So you can get your ideas from the article you read or from your personal experiences. And you are going to write a well-constructed paragraph with 1 main idea, at least 3 supporting detail sentences, maybe 4, and a conclusion sentence. Okay, so boys and girls, that is your reading assignment today. You are going to be a sleuth at work. You're going to gather evidence, ask questions, and then make your case. And all of that is repeated on the worksheets. When you are done, you may submit that back to Schoology so I can take a look at it and see what you came up with. All right, happy reading, boys and girls. Be the best sleuth you can be.